Hello everyone, I am Monica from the Millennium School, GrNoida West. Today I am going to tell you about few WH questions. Well, what are WH questions? Questions that are asked to get a specific response or to derive a specific information are called WH questions. In other words, if you want information about someone or something, you always have to ask questions like when, where, who, why, what, and which. So the first one is the question when. The question when is used when we want to know the time of a particular event. So whenever you want to know the time of a particular thing or when it has occurred, we always use the question when. For example, we may say, when is the next class? So the answer may be after half an hour. Or you may ask a question, when is the math test? So the answer could be, it is on next Friday. So here when we are using when, that means we want to know the time of a particular thing. When will that particular thing will occur? So when always tells us about the time. Our next WH question is where. Where talks about the place. Whenever you want to know about the place, you always use where. For example, you may ask, where is my book? And the answer will be, it is on the shelf. So when you use the word where, you got to know about the place of the book where it is kept. You can also ask, where is the park? So the answer would be, the park is on the right hand side. So you got to know the location of the park, the place where it is located. Our next WH question is who. It is always used to know about a person or people. You use who to know about a singular person or people, which will be plural form of a person. For example, you may ask, who are you? So you have to tell about yourself. You may say your name or any other information that you think is suitable for this question. You may also ask, like, who are they? Or who are these people? Alright? So, who is always used to know about any person or people. So our next WH question is why. A lot of times we need to know the reason as to why something happened. Like, why are you late today? So when you ask question using why, you need to tell the reason. Why are you late? Maybe you can say, I missed my bus or I got up late. Yeah. You may also ask someone like question, why are you sad? So if you see someone who is sad, you can use the word why and ask for a reason. So we always use why when we want to know about a reason. Now next WH question is what? Now what always tells you about an object, an action or an idea. Now let me explain each part at a time. For example, let us first take the object. We may want to know what is inside this box. Okay, so how will we ask? We'll say, what is inside the box? Okay, so we'll ask question like this: what is inside this box? That means we want to know what is there in the box, the object that is there in the box. Or we want to know about the object, like you may ask, what is this? So I'll answer, this is a marker. Yeah. Next, let us see the action. So action. So when we want to know about what is happening, or we want to know about something, about a specific thing that is happening, we use what? Like, what is she doing? Or you may ask, what is she eating? So this is an action. Okay, so whenever we want to know what the other person is doing or what is happening, we use question what. The next is idea. So when you want to know about an idea or a plan, we use question what. Like, what is the plan for today? Or what have you thought? So we use the question what. Next is which. This question talks about things in particular. Like, which subjects do you study? So these are things. So you need to mention about the subjects that you study, what all you have, like your EVS, math, English. So when we want to know about things, we use the question which. Let me take another example. Which colors do you like? Okay, so again here we are asking about things, so we'll use the question which. Thank you. That's all for today. Have a nice day.